Most people get coding platforms wrong by assuming they are too complicated for beginners, but Codocodium offers a surprisingly user-friendly environment for learning and developing software. Today, I'm sharing my honest review after using Codocodium extensively. Codocodium is a cloud-based IDE and learning platform that supports multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Java. The first thing you'll notice is the clean interface, no clutter, just an editor, console, and file tree. Most people get this wrong by thinking online IDEs are limiting, but Codo provides features like code completion, debugging, and version control integration. One standout feature is its learning modules. Codium offers tutorials and guided projects that help beginners understand programming concepts while coding in real time. The platform even provides hints and error explanations, which is invaluable for learners who get stuck. Collaboration is another highlight. You can share projects with teammates, review code, and even work on live coding sessions together. This makes it ideal for both students and small teams. Pricing is reasonable. There's a free tier for basic learning and experimentation, while premium plans unlock advanced features, more storage, and priority support. One limitation is that complex enterprise-level projects might feel constrained compared to local IDEs, but for most learners and developers, it's more than sufficient. In conclusion, Codocodium is a solid platform for anyone looking to learn coding or develop small projects online. Its user-friendly interface, guided learning, and collaboration tools make it ideal for beginners and small teams alike. Subscribe for more honest tech platform reviews so you can learn and build smarter without unnecessary frustration.